as soon as a new car leaves the seller's garage, the value becomes 22,300, which is a 7% decrease of its selling price. So what happens, someone's gone to a garage, bought a car for a particular price, the selling price, okay, but as soon as you drive a new car out of a garage, it loses a little bit of its value. So in this case, it's going to lose 7%. And the question says, what was the selling price correct to the nearest dollar? So this is a reverse percentage problem. So we set the problem up like this. We take the selling price. So the selling price is decreased by 7%. So we will have 93% of it left. And then that will be equal, so this is a multiplier for a decrease of 7%. And then that will be equal to the price that it is now, which is 23,300. So the idea is we've got to find the selling price. So to find the selling price, because we've got multiplied here, we will have to do 23,300 divided by 0.93, and that will give me 23,978. So this is called what's known as a reverse percentage problem, because basically we will have to do a division rather than multiplying. So just make sure you read questions carefully so that you really understand what you have to actually do. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.